Penalty situation. Penalty. First show, number 19. One point lead by Sugo. Last show, jumpers ready. Birthday number 5 to birthday number 9 John, and there's a call from the ref. Who's for ref? Jersey number 19 pushing foul. Jersey number 19 penalty situation, both teams penalty. Jersey number 19, pakitaking po ang penalty ko. Jersey number 19, third personal foul. First row by Antonio Basket. Last row, jumpers ready. Basket. Deadlock at 61. Less 1 minute and 20 seconds. That's 3 points. Number 20. Blocking foul. According to our referee, Jack Free. Jersey number 19, blocking foul. Jersey number 19, third personal foul, penalty situation. Jersey number 19, fourth personal foul, warning for foul out. Running score 64-62. A minute to play for the third period. To Alcantara, Rodriguez, middle shot, Rodriguez. Last 45 seconds. Rodriguez titira ng 3. Last 32 seconds. Bawa si number 20. Last 12 second shot clock. So sige na. Oh, may sumabat. Kuya. Jersey number, what's that? Jersey number 65. Locking foul.
Lamang sa duang ay ang
third personal foul for number 5. First row, Nobi. Last row. Rebound by Akar to number 9, Ubunde. Last 12 seconds, last time. Ubunde, last 3. They want to fire, last 5 seconds. Until wala. Jersey number 24, holding foul. Jersey number 24. First row, Nebu. 2.4 seconds. Running score, the clock at 66. End of the third period. Ayan. Sino kaya ang mananalo? Ikitan ang
Dito na lamang po ang pagbablog. Welcome to my channel. I'm Itong Vlog. Thank you. Bye-bye.